Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change maturity settings on Peacock TV. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in peacocktv.com and then press enter. Now go ahead and log into your account if you haven't done so already using your credentials, and after logging into your account, you will be asked to choose which user is watching. From the user select screen, simply tap on the edit icon underneath your user account and you will be taken into your profile edit menu. From the profile edit menu, scroll down and you will find the maturity settings option. Go ahead and tap on the change button at the right side, and now you will be asked to enter your account password. Go ahead and type in your account password and click on the confirm button, and now you will be able to choose your maturity settings based on your preference. Just click on whichever setting you want to use and click on the save rating option. Once you click on save rating, this will immediately save whichever maturity rating you chose, and you can come back to this menu at any point in time and change your maturity rating as many times as you wish. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your maturity rating settings on Peacock TV. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.